Dreaming of starting a new life or career in Canada? Whether you want to work temporarily or settle permanently, there are two main pathways: the skilled work visa, temporary work permit, and permanent residence, PR, through express entry. But what's the difference between them? And how can you apply successfully? Let's break it down step by step, in simple words. Part 1. The skilled worker, permanent residence, PR, pathway. Let's start with permanent residence, PR, your long-term ticket to living, working, and building your future in Canada. Most skilled workers apply through the Express Entry system, which manages three main programs: Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP, Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP, Canadian Experience Class, CEC, and many provincial nominee programs, PNPs, are linked to Express Entry too. Phase 1. Preparation and eligibility. Before you apply, make sure you meet the key eligibility requirements. Work experience, at least 1 year of continuous, full-time, or equivalent part-time, skilled work in the past 10 years. Language test. Take an approved English or French test like IELTS, CELPIP, or TF Canada. Aim for at least CLB 7. Education. If you studied outside Canada, you'll need an Educational Credential Assessment, ECA, to verify your qualifications. Points. Score. For FSWP applicants, you must score at least 67 out of 100 on the Federal Skilled Worker Points Grid. Tip. Before creating your profile, gather all key documents: your language test results, ECA report, and passport. Phase 2. Create your Express Entry profile. Next, create your Express Entry profile on the official IRCC website. Here, you'll enter details about your skills, education, work experience, and language ability. Once submitted, the system gives you a comprehensive ranking system, CRS score. You'll be placed into a pool with other candidates. If you want to increase your score, apply for a Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. A provincial nomination adds 600 points, basically a guaranteed ticket, to receive an Invitation to Apply, ITA. Phase 3. Invitation and application. If your CRS score is high enough, you'll get an ITA invitation to apply for permanent residence. Then, within 60 days, submit your electronic application, EAPR, with all your supporting documents, identity and travel documents, police certificates, medical exam results, proof of funds, employment letters. Once submitted, IRCC reviews your file, conducts background checks, and if everything looks good, you'll receive a confirmation of permanent residence, co-PR. That as your golden ticket, you and your family can now officially move to Canada as permanent residents. Part 2. Canadian Skilled Work Visa, Temporary Work Permit. 330 Now, what if you just want to work in Canada for a few years before deciding to settle? That's where the temporary work permit comes in. Phase 1. Getting a job offer. First, you'll need a job offer from a Canadian employer. In most cases, your employer must get a Labour Market Impact Assessment, LMIA, a document that proves no Canadian citizen or PR is available to fill the role. But some jobs are LMIA exempt, especially under trade agreements like USMCA or CETA, or if your work provides a significant benefit to Canada. In those cases, your employer only needs to submit an offer through the employer portal. Phase 2. Apply for the work permit. Once you have your job offer or LMIA, it's time to apply for your work permit. You'll need a valid passport, job offer or LMIA letter, proof of qualifications, education, work experience, etc., medical exam and police certificates, if required. Submit your application online via the IRCC website and pay the required fees. You'll also receive a request for biometrics fingerprints and a photo which you can complete at a Visa Application Center, VAC, near you. Phase 3. Entering Canada. If approved, IRCC will send you a Port of Entry letter of introduction. This isn't your work permit yet, but it allows you to travel to Canada. Once you arrive, a Canada Border Services officer reviews your documents and issues your physical work permit. It will list your job, employer, and the length of your stay. Congratulations, you can now start your Canadian work journey. Part 3. Final thoughts. So here's the difference in short. PR through express entry, permanent pathway, full settlement rights, and long-term stability. Temporary work permit. Short-term work opportunity, often a stepping stone toward PR. Pro tip. Many people start with a work permit, gain Canadian experience, and then apply for PR later. It's one of the most trusted and achievable routes. Always remember, immigration rules can change, so double-check everything on the official IRCC website or consult a licensed immigration consultant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more visa and immigration guides. Your Canadian dream might be closer than you think.